Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting trends in modern architecture, the multi-level stack container home. But what exactly does this mean? At its core, a multi-level stack container home is a residential structure created by reinforcing and piling multiple shipping containers, usually the 20-foot or 40-foot variety, on top of one another or in staggered configurations. Unlike a single-story container shed, these homes use vertical space to create expansive, multi-room living environments that mimic the footprint of a traditional multi-story house while maintaining an edgy, industrial aesthetic. The benefits of choosing a multi-level stack design are numerous, ranging from practical space management to environmental sustainability. By stacking containers, you significantly increase your total square footage without needing a massive plot of land, making this an ideal solution for narrow urban lots or steep hillside properties. Beyond the footprint, these structures are incredibly durable. Shipping containers are designed to withstand ocean storms and heavy loads, so when they are properly anchored and stacked, they offer immense structural integrity. Additionally, repurposing these steel boxes reduces the carbon footprint associated with traditional construction materials like brick and cement, providing an eco-friendly alternative for the conscious homeowner. Decorating the exterior of a multi-level container home is where you can truly let your creativity shine and soften the industrial look of the steel. To make your home look high-end, consider a mix of textures. Pairing the corrugated metal of the containers with natural wood siding, large glass floor-to-ceiling windows, or even vertical living green walls can create a stunning architectural contrast. Lighting also plays a pivotal role. Using recessed LED strips along the edges of the overhangs or uplighting the stack sections can emphasize the unique geometry of the building at night. Additionally, adding cantilevered balconies or rooftop gardens on the lower container steps adds functional outdoor space while breaking up the boxy silhouette for a more organic feel. One of the most frequent questions we get is, how much does a multi-level stack container home actually cost? While a single-use container might only cost a few $1,000s, a fully finished multi-level home involves significant structural engineering, crane rentals for stacking, high-grade insulation, and specialized plumbing and electrical work. On average, you can expect to pay anywhere from $150 to $250 per square foot for a high-end finish. While this can sometimes approach the cost of traditional building, the speed of construction, often taking months less than a standard build, and the ability to phase the project by adding containers over time can provide much-needed financial flexibility. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best multi-level stacked container home ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. One, the modern cantilevered cabin. This design features a striking upper level that extends far beyond the base, creating a covered driveway or patio area below. The rich wood cladding on the upper section contrasts beautifully with the dark charcoal metal, making it look like a luxury retreat nestled in the woods. 2. The industrial glass atrium. By stacking containers around a central glass-walled core, this home maximizes natural light. The blue and green hues of the containers are left exposed to celebrate their industrial heritage, while the interior remains bright and airy thanks to the massive window panels. 3. The autumnal black multi-stack. Perfect for forest settings, this 3-story configuration uses matte black paint to disappear into the shadows of the trees. The staggered stacking creates multiple rooftop terraces, providing various vantage points to enjoy the surrounding fall foliage. 4. The suburban hybrid estate. This design proves that container homes can look right at home in a traditional neighborhood. By combining containers with standard timber framing and neutral horizontal siding, this multi-level home offers a massive interior layout with a welcoming, sophisticated street presence. 5. The white luxury loft with wood accents. This stunning 3-story home uses white corrugated steel to reflect heat and create a clean, minimalist look. The addition of a vertical wooden screen and a large balcony over the garage area gives it a contemporary resort vibe that is both functional and stylish. 6. The architectural slat house. This home features a unique vertical wooden slat facade that covers one entire section of the stacked containers. This not only provides privacy and shade, but also adds a rhythmic, textured look that elevates the structure from a box to a piece of modern art. 7. The solar-powered overhang house. A masterclass in functional design, this home features a long upper container that creates a massive shaded outdoor living area below. Outfitted with rooftop solar panels and a green wall of ivy on the side, it is as sustainable as it is visually impressive. 8. The triple-tiered glass mansion. This expansive design uses multiple 40-foot containers stacked in a U-shape to create a private courtyard. With glass railings on every level and warm interior lighting, the house glows like a lantern at dusk, highlighting the sophisticated transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. 9. The primary color pop complex. For those who love bold statements, this multi-level office and residential complex uses bright yellow, blue, and green containers. The staggered stacking and external steel staircases create a playful, energetic environment that is perfect for creative workspaces. 10. The Sunset Reflection Studio. Set against a waterfront, this 2-story stack design uses a dramatic cantilever to hover over the shoreline. The lower level is almost entirely glass, offering uninterrupted views of the water, while the upper level provides a private, secluded sanctuary for work or rest. Multi-level stacked container homes represent the perfect marriage of industrial strength and modern design. Whether you are looking to build an eco-friendly retreat or a bold urban statement piece, the flexibility of stacking containers allows you to customize your living space in ways traditional construction simply cannot match. It is about rethinking what a home can be and utilizing every inch of vertical space to create a sanctuary that is uniquely yours. If you enjoyed these incredible designs, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more architectural inspiration. Which of our top 10 was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a tour of the world's most unique homes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.